how far back in time are we looking?
Yeah, so the stuff at the back, the orange and the blue blobs, this light has been traveling to us for over 13.5 billion years.
So was that billion with a B?
Billion with a B, yeah. This is coming from about 400,000 years after the beginning of the universe.
We're getting the first glimpse at what are now the clearest images yet of the universe's infancy ever taken, aka baby pictures. The Atacama Cosmology Telescope collaboration releasing the photographs this week. The telescope that took the photos based in the Atacama Desert in Chile. A team of about 160 people from all over, including Princeton and the University of Pennsylvania, or closer to home, UBC and the University of Toronto, poured years into making the project a reality.
But in that early universe, there was energy and light bouncing around. And what happens is we can now see the picture of that early time.
The light reaching Earth showing us an image from when the universe is believed to be about 400,000 years old, compared to its current estimated age of 13.8 billion. Renee Halajek, an associate professor in the Department of Astronomy and Astrophysics at the University of Toronto, has been working on the project since 2008. She says it's thanks to amazing advancements in detector technology that makes this image possible.
And so now we have these amazing telescopes with these super sensitive detectors that we cool to millikelvin, so super cold, that enable us to not only map the light, but map it pretty fast so we can get to incredible sensitivity.
You've got some of the photos handy. Can you kind of show me and just kind of explain kind of like what we're actually looking at?
Yeah, okay, so this is the map of this light on the sky. Now it looks like blue and orange blobs, but really those are telling us the temperature fluctuations in this ancient microwave light. And our telescopes are so good now that if you actually zoom in, you see not only that ancient light, but like that's a nearby galaxy that we can now measure in millimeter wavelengths, which is just incredible.
You know, we can look and we can take a moment off, but you know, when you look at it, do you just like sometimes stare at it and get like a little emotional?
Totally. Like the thing that's crazy is that, you know, we live our lives, we don't think about it. We are bathed in this light, it's everywhere. But you turn on a telescope like this and suddenly, you know, you can see light that is ancient. You can see light that tells you what the physics was like at the beginning of the universe.
So what does the data actually tell us? Halajek says one of the surprising things we're learning is the universe may be functioning more simply than some of our modern models have been suggesting.
Obviously, people like me are interested in more complicated models with different components. And so we ran all of these simulations to see, and the universe seems to be picking the simple model, which is cool, but now we still need to understand that model even more. So it's just a challenge for new results.
At the University of Toronto, David Zura, City News.